You got it, John. A quarter-point cut in the Fed's benchmark interest rate, a few changes to the statement, and that's about it from the Fed. The target range now 4.5 to 4.75%. There is no change to balance sheet policy. The decision this time unanimous, as September dissenter McKee voted for this rate cut. Inflation, the statement says, has made progress, dropping the word further, toward the 2% target, but remains somewhat elevated. No longer included, the assertion that the committee has gained greater confidence that inflation is moving sustainably toward 2%. The economic assessment suggests a slightly weaker labor market, noting that since earlier this year, labor market conditions have generally eased and the unemployment rate has moved up, but remains low. Still, the statement repeats September's view that risks to achieving its employment and inflation goals are roughly in balance. The rate cut today is in support of its goals instead of September's in light of the progress on inflation and the balance of risks. Policymakers note again they will consider additional adjustments to their benchmark rate, but offer no further guidance beyond that. There is no mention of politics in the statement. That will be up to Chairman Powell in about a half hour.
And Mike McKee, it'll be up to you, sir, to ask the questions. How many questions do you expect are going to be leading with the events of this week and not this decision? How much of this is going to be about the politics at 2:30, Mike?
I would imagine quite a bit would be, and maybe we want to check the Las Vegas over-under line for that. But he's not going to say anything. He's not going to respond. So the question is, how many different ways can we ask, and how many different ways will he parry the question?
60 minutes of that. Looking forward to it.